Dear students, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button. Very good morning to all my dear students. My name is Rajneesh and I welcome to you all once again for the online classes on Master G Rajneesh Tyagi. Dear students, the chapter The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse going on nowadays, and we are going today for the next paragraph on 21 of May 2020. I hope you all are good at your home and doing good study. Okay, so let's start the paragraph. That was all, no matter what anybody happened to be talking about. Once it was his own son Arak running 8 blocks to the barber shop where his father was having his most extreme to tell him their house was on fire. Once upon a time, the son of that person, he went to the shop of the barber where his father was going for the cutting or for shaving in the barber shop, and he said to his father, the house was on fire, so please, means he wanted to make him inform that the house is burning and house is not safe, we are not safe. So what was the answer of that person? This man said, this man Khosrow sat up in the chair and roared, it is no harm, pay no attention to it. And he was not having any problem. Even the house of that person was burning, it was on fire, and he didn't have any problem. It is very surprising. इस इंसान का घर जल रहा है और इसको कोई भी परेशानी नहीं हो रही. That was totally strange. ये बड़े आश्चर्य करने वाली बात थी. और उसके बेटे ने उसको इन्फॉर्म किया कि घर जल रहा है, आप प्लीज़ आइए. तो वो डांटते हुए कहता है, तो क्या हुआ, कौन सी बड़ी बात हुई, कोई इसमें ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं. इट वॉज द फेमस डायलॉग ऑफ दैट पर्सन. पे नो अटेंशन, व्हाट हैपन. Kosher roared enough, it is no harm, I say. And he was roaring again and again and said, no harm for it, we have no problem, I say. My cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of this man, and my cousin Murad is also belonging to this family. Although Murad's father was Zorab, the father name of the Murads was Zorab, who was practical and nothing else, and he believed in the practical things. He did not believe in the theories. He used to have the practical and restrictions in his life, and he loved to have them. That's how it was in our tribe. A man could be the father of his son's flesh, but that did not mean that he was also the father of his spirit. The distribution of the various kinds of spirit of our tribe had been from the beginning capricious and vagrant. So the father and the person of that family were totally different, and they were having individual characters themselves, and they were totally different from each another. They were not having such kinds of the similarities. You can see the father, the person in that character whose house was burning, whose house was on fire, and he didn't have any problem, was saying that so no need to pay your attention for it, there is no problem. It is totally different character in this story. There is a word meaning vagrant. Vagrant means a person who is irresponsible, a person who do not understand the responsibilities regarding their family. So that was the character like that in this story. और बहुत ही अलग तरह का ये character, very different. We rode and my cousin Murar sang. Now we were riding very well. My cousin Murari was singing. He was enjoying that time. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country, where at least according to some of our neighbors. And according to our neighbors, we were still in the village where we were living. हम उसी गांव में थे अभी अपने पड़ोसी के अनुसार जहां हम रहने वाले थे. We belong. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running. At last, my cousin Murad said, get down, I want to ride alone. And suddenly, my cousin, he's called me and said, get down, please, I want to run alone this horse. I want to ride alone. मुझे अकेले ही घुड़सवारी करनी है, तुम प्लीज़ नीचे उतर जाओ. Will you let me ride alone? I asked, and he said, क्या तुम मुझे अकेले घोड़ा चलाने दोगे कि नहीं? That is That is up to the horse. My cousin said, get down. The horse will let me ride, I said. And he said, I want to ride, ride alone this horse, so please, you please get down. Oh, we shall see. He said, don't forget that I have a way with a horse. Well, I said, anyway, you have with a horse I have also, for the sake of your safety, he said. He said, just because of your safety, I'm telling you, please get down. Otherwise, we can ride together also. But right now, I want to ride alone this horse. So you please get down. तुम नीचे उतर जाओ. मैं इस घोड़े को तो अब अकेले इसकी घुड़सवारी करूँगा. मुराद ने ऐसा कहा. Let us hope so. Get down. All right, I said. But remember, you have got to let me try too. लेकिन ये याद रखो कि तुम्हें मुझे भी इसको एक बार घोड़ा चलाने के लिए देना पड़ेगा. Because I am also interesting to have a ride on this horse. So, dear students, it was the explanation of the day, and understand the chapter slowly. And in the classroom, we will discuss this again, and only a girl is paying her full attention to the video. She is always giving the answers in the video. I appreciate her, and also tell to all the students, give your comments and your views also. It is very important. It is must for all, because you will have to explain all the things in the class. Well, as well, I have described all the things in the videos. Okay, well, till then, take care. Have a great day, you all. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you.